We'll guide you through how to allow all calls on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you're finding that not all calls are coming through. Perhaps you're expecting one and it's not coming through, or somebody said they rang you and it wasn't coming through as well. This can be annoying as you can end up missing important calls, maybe verification code calls or other calls as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide, as there are different ways you can go about it. With the settings you can go and adjust and check as well. So any further ado, let's go and get into this. Find the option for settings and you want to go and open it up. Next, you need to go and scroll down, and to start with, you need to go and find the option for focus and you want to come into here. Now what you need to do is go and find do not disturb. Then you want to go and find allow notifications and press people. Now what you want to do is make sure you set allow calls from, set this to everybody. It may be set to contacts only. If they aren't saved, then they won't come through, or maybe allowed people only. So only certain contacts will come through. Make sure this is set to everybody. So when this is turned on, the call not going to be silenced and it'll come through. That's the first way you can go about it. Next, what you can do is you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for apps. Then you need to go and scroll down. We need to go and find the option for phone. So that stands for P. So it's going to be in the P section. So keep scrolling down. And as you can see, phone, tap there. Now what we can do is we can go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for screen unknown callers. You want to make sure that's set to never. If it's set to silence, calls from unsaved numbers we silence, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recents list. You can end up missing them. So set that to never. And you want to go and make sure that unknown callers are switched off in call filtering as well. So this means that if this is turned on, the missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers, we move to the unknown callers list. So make sure that's turned off. And what you can also do is go and check block contacts, remove them there, and you can remove unknown numbers and unblock them as well. That's it.